Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason, and today's video I'm going to show you the proper way how to unplug a device. So I know you guys are thinking unplugging a device is very easy, it's very simple, but believe it or not, with new technology and new devices, just by unplugging it and plugging it back in, it does not completely reboot your device. The transformer I have in my hands, as you can tell, there's a light here. So what most people do is they unplug it, they wait about 10 seconds, and as you can see, it's unplugged, the light's still on, so this thing is still holding on power. So that's the biggest mistake. So you guys don't wait till this light turns off and you just plug it back in. And most devices, like the one I'm holding in my hand, it'll probably hold power for like a good minute or even more. That's why it's always good to, if you have a transformer like this one, wait for the power to go off or the light to go out before plugging it back in. So as you can see, it's been unplugged now for a few seconds and I still have power here. So by you plugging this back in, it will not fix your problem. And 90% of any issue is actually rebooting your device. So we're going to wait and you're going to see how long this will take for it to power off. And there you guys have it. So this one took just over 2 minutes to power completely down. So guys, when you're trying to reboot your device, I know sometimes it's a little bit of a pain, but when you unplug it, just give it a couple of minutes. Don't give it the 10 seconds, which a lot of people do recommend. I'm telling you guys now, at least 2 to 3 minutes. And that should solve your problem. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any comments, please put it below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching.